Hello guys, welcome on today's stream. Today I'll do a very straightforward stream. I'll show you how and why I'm going to enter three trades: Aussie Cat daily time frame, Pound Cat daily time frame, and Euro GBP daily time frame. So just wait 30 seconds more and we'll get started. Okay guys, currently I'm just checking correlation between Aussie Cat and Pound Cat. I would really like to see data statistic how these two pairs are correlated. For that, go on my FX book and press market and correlation, and yeah, let's take a look. Aussie Cat and Pound Cat. Okay, they're not correlated at all. I mean, negatively 9%. So nothing worth mention. So let's check if anyone is on. I'm a little bit late today, quite late today. So just let's get started. Aussie Cat, we're on a pretty, I mean, it's a good resistance area. It's not the perfect. I would really like to see that this move would be for went much further, but now there's, I mean, there's a lot of bullish momentum right here, so we might get some sort of a sideways movement to the upside or break of this structure and some retest in this zone. But um, we have a weekly divergence right here, which is a good sign. We have probably daily divergence as well. No, we do not have daily divergence. We have this bullish candle, very powerful candle. After that, we've got a exhaustion candle, some sort of resistance candle, rejection candle, excuse me. And now we've got a pretty dominant bearish candle making a lower low. Let's take a look how this looks on a 4-hourly. Looks like a very bearish candle. Actually the biggest one from this impulse, like so. There is a clear sign of bears took a control. I don't know for how long. Maybe price will continue to the downside again, or I'll be stopped out. I don't know. I don't care. I just have to trade a good setups. So sell limit, retracement order, retracement sell order. I believe that price will retrace a little bit, and after that continue to the downside. If not, I will not be in the trade. Stop loss above here, quite higher than the highest high, but I really wanted to put stop loss above this high. I really prefer this kind of stop losses. They're more conservative, but again, risk reward is worst in this case. So that's it, pretty straightforward, nothing fancy. Resistance zone, weekly divergence, daily exhaustion, rejection candle, and now dominant candle, bearish candle, and that's it. That's it. I mean, okay, another trade is Pound Cat. It's a little bit not very clean and very powerful setup, but I will enter it with a smaller risk to reduce risk on a pound New Zealand. I'm long on a pound New Zealand. Let's take a look. I am long from here and from here. Actually, I've set the two orders. I have two buy orders right here and stop loss down there. I'm on 0.66% long in this case, so it's pretty a little bit bigger position than average, which is a 0.5%. So I'm going to reduce the risk with the pound cat, which is kind of correlated with pound New Zealand. Uh, let's take a look if this is really the case. I don't have it right now. Hold on. Pound New Zealand. We've set pound cat. Just hold on, guys. I'm not doing streams only just for you, okay? I'm also doing my stuff, so be patient, guys. It's free stuff. Pound New Zealand, pound cat. Yeah, they're 53% positively correlated, so there's some correlation, of course, in these two pairs. So I will enter with a retracement entry. So I expect that price will retrace to this level and continue to the downside. Risk on this trade will be 0.33% because this whole setup is not very clean. I might also enter with 0.25% in this case. Stop loss is above swing high. That's it. And take profits will be in these zones right here, where I will be looking for bullish candle patterns to get long. Another trade was, which I'm already in, is euro pound. The price is retested this daily swing high resistance. However, we've got a pretty bullish candle after that rejection candle, so sort of an exhaustion, and pretty dominant bearish candle to the downside. We've also got a divergence on a daily time frame, not very clean one, but it is there. We've also got a very nice weekly divergence right here, and almost triple divergence, I mean double divergence if this would be a little bit higher, but we can consider that as a double top in this case. Otherwise, price is kind of high. It would be better if the price would reach this extreme, but it is around 30 pips away. So that's it. I have entered this trade is actually pretty similar to Aussie Cat. As you can see, it's pretty much the same. So sell limit was actually I could have put a sell limit a little bit higher, but I really didn't want to miss that trade. So why I didn't put sell stop order, so sell stop below this candle, is because there is a 99% chance that that price will make these 3-4 pips. So I understand that when I get this kind of a candle, there is 85% chance that the price will trade just a little bit to 38.2 Fibonacci retracement, or at least 23.6. I don't know if this is the right number. So stop loss above here, not just above this high, but also above this high. Okay, like that. So we've got some sort of a doji today, and now we'll see what price will do for us. So that's it. These are the 3 trades I'm going to enter. Actually, I'm in Euro Pound already. I'm still shorting Aussie New Zealand from up here, and I'm long from still up here and holding. It's hedging trade. So we will see. New Zealand Swiss, I'm still short from up here. I expected that today's candle will close a little bit more bearish, but it retraced back to here. Actually, very surprising. Um, I'm still holding that. OZN, I'm long from right this candle, this formation on this support. It took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. 10 days. That 10 days that price actually start doing something. But we're still not. This resistance on a lower time frame is still not broken. So, um, I mean, this candle looks pretty promising, but 10 days of lack of momentum, I really don't believe. Maybe we'll get slowly to up here, but yeah, I'm still waiting. Nothing else. Pound New Zealand, I have entered right here on a buy stop order and retracement entry. I have actually in this trade I have actually combined um, two entry methods and split the risk in between these two orders. I do that sometimes when I believe that when I really want to get a high risk reward with this retracement entry, but I don't want to miss in case that price if price is not retracing. So if we might get just a bullish candle and complete trend shift, and I wouldn't get entered with this. I wouldn't be in a trade with this retracement entry. So sometimes I put both entry methods, so retracement entry and buy stop or sell stop, however. So that's it. USD CAD. I was actually stopped out 2 days ago. I was shorting on that bearish pin bar, and unluckily I was stopped out just for around 15 pips. It happens. And now we've got a pretty bearish candle pattern, but it's kind of too big. I mean, actually I was stopped out from USD CAD 2 times in a row already, right here and right here I was long. So I sort of don't feel USD CAD right now. I'm not synchronized with this pair, these movements. It's sort of a sideways movement, some sort of a correlation, some sort of a wedge on a weekly and range on a daily. And if we might get a weekly candle pattern like that, or even a little bit lower, this might be some sort of a potential to the downside. But seriously, I am more than that. I'm waiting a break of that resistance like that, 1 to 3 above, and break of that support trend line like that. That's it. I mean, this is the conservative way. Everything in between is a little bit aggressive, which is not wrong if you know what you're doing. So that's it, guys. I mean, it's, I believe, yeah, 15 minutes. Pretty straightforward stream. I'll just wait 1 minute more for questions. If you have any, let me know. I'll check a few pairs more. Let me know if you have any questions. Yeah, guys, as you can see, I'm not telling you that I'm a super smart, I'm extremely experienced, and so on. I'm just sharing my opinion on the market, and you can see that I'm some days, at some day, I'm in a doubt. I mean, I have to think a little bit better about specific setup or so on. So it's not an easy way, easy path. It's a long-term learning curve, I would say. I really try to play on honesty, and I don't want to give you a false hope that this is easy stuff, or anything like that. And I hope that you will guys understand that and um, respect that. Actually, I don't know why I'm talking that to you right now, but I just thought that it's that I have to, that it is worth it. So it's a hard work, guys. It's not fun or easy stuff. Uh, I mean, it's not extremely complicated at all as well. It's not. You just have to be disciplined, consistent, and don't be afraid of um, don't be afraid of being wrong, or don't be afraid of being in doubt. I'm here on a stream, and I can clearly tell you that sometimes I'm in a doubt. I don't know exactly what to do, or I have to just think a little bit more. I'm not shy of that, and it's valuable, guys. It's valuable. Gil, take care. Thank for your support. Actually, Euro Pound, guys, is I believe it's 95% or 90% negatively correlated to Euro Pound. So Pound Swiss and Euro Pound are completely opposite. So if you're going to enter Pound Swiss and Euro Pound, uh, be aware, or make sure that your risk is split in between these two pairs. Sometimes you will see me that I go check correlation on my FX book on market section and correlation, and yeah, I don't know all the correlation, all the correlations, and how all the pairs is um, aligned with other pairs. I really don't know that from my head for all the pairs. I know for majors, and it is completely fine to not knowing that from your head. Is you can check the numbers and that's it. I mean, I believe that I would do more damage to you into my reputation as well if I would play some sort of an expert or guru with years and years of experience. Um, I'm just a guy um, who wanted a difference, who still wants a difference in a life, and so I found a trading on the internet alone, and I've lost a little bit of money on binary options. Um, and after that, I mean, I will not tell you the whole story, but I'm in a forex for 2.5 years right now, focusing on longer term charts. As you probably know, I was scalping successfully for half a year, but decided that this is not my mission because it's kind of too stressful. Um, so now I'm focusing on a longer term charts. I've actually working a lot on my philosophy and attitude to the life and money, and I really decided that this kind of I have created this forex swing traders community in early 2016, and with helping with videos and talking about trading with others and streams, I grow myself as well, and you as well, guys. And some of you valued, respect that and are thankful for that. Some of you are not. Um, but what really drives me is that I see you guys exploring and searching about trading, sending me a charts. We're talking about that. So it really inspires me when I see people which are motivated and drive. And yeah, this is actually the reason why I'm doing that. I admit I will sometimes someday I will monetize that whole streams, support everything. I mean, we'll see, but I will monetize that someday. But for now, for the next 3 months, 4 months, I will keep that stuff for free. Don't worry about that. So thank you, Gil. Uh, Use that the stuff is still free for now for I don't know 3 4 months. Um, because sometimes I have a feeling that when you put a free stuff out, people just don't have a respect for that. I mean it's logical when I'm going to study in October marketing communication and public relations, and I'm going to pay for this college, and I already visualize that I will work much harder. I will study much harder than if this college would be free, for free. So I understand that, guys. So, but keep that in mind. It's free, and we can have a good time. I can learn from you. You can learn from me, and this is the goal. So thank you for being with me today. Subscribe to the channel, guys. Since I've been streaming live, the response is very good. I'm really glad that many people got interested in. Yeah, so have a nice night and take care, guys. Bye.